We out in Country Club Hills. We're going to show you today a 4-bedroom.
Check out this newly updated gem in Country Club Hills. This home has everything you need and more.
As you walk in, you're greeted to laminate flooring. You got looks like vinyl flooring. All appliances. You got the refrigerator, the stove, nice granite countertop.
Located near shopping, schools, and expressways, this home offers the perfect balance of convenience and comfort.
Larger room. Breakers.
Are you interested? I offer down payment assistance to help you make this dream home yours. Reach out now. With 4 spacious bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, there's plenty of room for the whole family.
Bedroom number 1. What is this? This bedroom has a bathroom in here. Okay. Closet. Here's the main bathroom, I would assume here. Bedroom number 2. See here we got here. Bed 3. So the bedroom we seen down there must have been the master suite that had the full bath in it with the shower. You got the deck out here in the backyard. Looks like a brand new AC unit back there. Got a, looks like a gas burning fireplace. This is probably the garage. Okay. Nice 2-car garage with a vehicle in it. This looks like a sunroom maybe. It is this pine. Take a look back at his backyard again.
A huge fenced backyard, ideal for barbecues, gardening, or relaxing in your own outdoor paradise.
And then we're going to move on to the in-law suite with the second kitchen. Looks like they gotta do a little work here.
Not one, but two full kitchens perfect for multi-generational living or hosting your next big gathering. Are you interested? I offer down payment assistance to help you make this dream home yours. Reach out now. With 3 beautifully designed bathrooms, you'll enjoy luxury and convenience no matter where you are in the house. Each bedroom is generously sized and offers privacy for everyone in the house.